Hey everyone, and welcome back to the AI Tech channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sparking serious debate: Fiverr Go. Is it the dawn of a new era for freelancers, or the beginning of the end for traditional staffing models? The truth might surprise you. We've all heard the hype about AI taking over jobs, but what if I told you AI could actually empower you to build your own microenterprise? Stick around, because we're about to unpack Fiverr's game-changing move and what it means for the future of work. I'm seeing some crazy numbers coming out. Did you know that the freelance economy is projected to hit almost $500 billion in the next few years? That's insane. Fiverr Go is making waves, promising to redefine freelancing with AI. This isn't just another platform update. It's a bold statement about the future of open talent. At its core, Fiverr Go is a suite of AI-powered tools designed to amplify the capabilities of freelancers, not replace them. Think of it as giving independent professionals superpowers. They are calling it an AI creation model. What does it do? It allows freelancers to train AI models based on their own unique style and expertise. Imagine clients interacting with an artist's style before hiring them. This is a major shift away from the old way of doing things. The AI creation model is a fascinating concept. It allows freelancers to essentially create an AI clone of their skills, available for clients to sample and interact with. This not only showcases their talent, but also provides a tangible way for clients to understand their style before committing to a project. It's a brilliant way to leverage AI to enhance, not diminish, human creativity. It's like giving every freelancer their own personal AI-powered portfolio. We can think this like a neural style transfer, using convolutional neural networks, CNNs, to extract and apply artistic styles from one image to another, enabling clients to visualize the freelancer's potential output. The paper, A Neural Algorithm of Artistic Style, by Gates et al., 2015, dives deep into this. Another key component of Fiverr Go is the Personal AI Assistant. This tool is designed to help freelancers manage client interactions, optimize their listings, and streamline communication. In today's world, freelancers are juggling multiple roles: creator, marketer, business owner. This AI assistant acts as a co-pilot, freeing them up to focus on their core skills and deliver exceptional work. Imagine having an AI that handles all those tedious administrative tasks, allowing you to focus on what you're truly passionate about. This is what Fiverr is offering. It's using this tool to augment the current processes. Now, this is where things get really interesting. The Freelancer Equity Program. This is a groundbreaking move that could reshape the entire open talent economy. Fiverr is giving top-performing freelancers a stake in the platform itself. This is a complete reversal of the traditional model, where platforms extract value from freelancers. Fiverr is flipping the script and building a platform with its creators. This is not just smart business. It's a recognition of the vital role freelancers play in the success of the platform. Fiverr CEO Mika Kaufman hit the nail on the head when he said, "Freelancers drive the global economy forward. AI should serve them, not the other way around." This philosophy is at the heart of Fiverr Go. It's about harnessing the power of AI to empower freelancers, not replace them. It's a signal that the future of work belongs to those who learn to collaborate with AI, not fear it. This is a big shift. It is an example of how human-in-the-loop machine learning can be used to improve the output of AI systems by incorporating human feedback. But Fiverr Go's impact extends far beyond just freelancers. It has major implications for staffing firms, open talent platforms, and enterprise hiring strategies. For years, platforms like Upwork, TopDow, and Freelancer have simply matched supply and demand. But Fiverr's approach, giving freelancers AI-powered tools, an equity stake, and the ability to train their own AI models, means that talent platforms must evolve. The future of open talent is not just matching workers to jobs. It's enhancing their capabilities through AI, automation, and ownership. Platforms that fail to provide these tools risk being left behind. For staffing firms and enterprise talent acquisition teams, AI-driven talent clouds are the next evolution. Fiverr's AI creation model is a step toward AI-assisted skill validation, where companies can interact with a freelancer's style or expertise before hiring. This approach will likely be adopted by enterprise talent marketplaces, allowing organizations to preview a worker's AI-enhanced portfolio in real time before making hiring decisions. It's a shift from resumes to real-time skill demonstrations. Think of it like a virtual audition, where companies can see exactly what a freelancer is capable of before making a hiring decision. With AI streamlining client management, marketing, and operations, Fiverr freelancers are evolving into self-sufficient businesses, reducing their reliance on traditional staffing firms that once acted as intermediaries. Equipped with AI-powered assistants to handle client communication, AI-enhanced profiles that automate lead generation, and AI-created work samples that pre-sell their services, freelancers now have the tools to operate independently. For platforms and staffing firms, this signals a major shift. Freelancers no longer need intermediaries to secure work. They're running AI-augmented businesses on their own. What does that mean? A move toward being your own boss. Fiverr's move reflects the broader shift toward networked organizations, where fluid talent and AI-driven agility are redefining work. Enterprises must integrate AI-powered freelancers directly into their workflows, making traditional full-time hiring models increasingly obsolete. Companies that embrace AI-enabled open talent networks will scale dynamically with AI-driven demand forecasting, match projects with specialized freelance talent, and seamlessly blend independent professionals into teams using AI-powered platforms, unlocking greater flexibility, efficiency, and innovation. Imagine a company being able to scale up or down its workforce instantly based on the demands of the market. Fiverr's Freelancer Equity Program is a bold move that challenges the traditional open talent platform model, where workers are treated as transactional resources. By turning top freelancers into stakeholders, Fiverr is redefining how talent platforms engage with their workforce. This shift raises critical questions. Will other platforms introduce equity incentives to retain top talent? Will staffing firms rethink how they reward contractors? How will ownership impact freelancer loyalty and engagement? Do freelancers deserve a stake in the platforms they help build? I'm really interested to see how this plays out. Fiverr Go introduces a new blueprint for talent platforms, shifting from merely connecting freelancers with jobs to empowering them with AI, integrating AI-driven work models into enterprise hiring strategies, and offering economic incentives like equity participation. For staffing firms, business as usual won't cut it anymore. The future of talent isn't about placing workers into roles, but about augmenting human potential with AI and rethinking who owns the value of work. As the talent economy accelerates, the question remains, can traditional staffing models keep up? It's a race against time for them. Speaking of innovation, let's take a quick look at another company making waves, Power. Founded by Brandon Lee and Michael Gill, Power connects patients to academic researchers and clinical trials for new treatments. They previously created Setter, a virtual home checkup company acquired by Thumbtack. With over 500,000 users, Power has connected patients with 5,000 trials across the US and Canada. This is a great example of how technology can be used to solve real-world problems and make a positive impact. However, with all this AI-powered innovation, we need to consider the ethical implications. Are we ensuring fairness and transparency in these AI systems? Are we protecting the data privacy of freelancers and clients? These are critical questions that need to be addressed as we move forward. We need to prioritize responsible AI development to ensure that these technologies benefit everyone. We must consider the algorithm aversion that many users have about new technologies. Let's talk about the future of open talent. We're moving beyond simple marketplaces to ecosystems where freelancers are empowered with AI, have ownership in the platforms they use, and are treated as true partners. This is a fundamental shift in how we think about work and the relationship between platforms and talent. The old model of transactional relationships is being replaced by a new model of collaboration and shared value. We need to embrace this change and create a more equitable and sustainable future for the open talent economy. So, is Fiverr Go a revolution or a freelancer replacement? The answer is complex. It's a powerful tool that can empower freelancers and drive innovation, but it also poses challenges to traditional staffing models and raises ethical considerations. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Are you excited about the possibilities of AI-powered freelancing, or are you concerned about the potential risks? I want to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on the future of AI and the open talent economy. Thanks for watching. The discussion about AI is very active. The future is not set in stone, and it is up to all of us to shape it. We need to be aware of the dangers of AI, but we also need to be aware of the opportunities. We need to be proactive in ensuring that AI is used for good and that it benefits everyone. We need to be careful to avoid situations such as the AI alignment problem, which is the problem of ensuring that AI systems are aligned with human values and goals. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of AI and the open talent economy. Remember, the future of work is being written right now, and it's up to us to make sure it's a future that benefits everyone. Stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video. Do you have any ideas about future topics? And that's a wrap on today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive into the world of AI. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep innovating, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The future is in our hands. As we wrap up, those of you who are freelancers, I cannot stress enough how important it is to begin learning AI. If you are a graphic designer, start learning how to use generative AI to create graphics. If you are a writer, learn how to use AI to help you write better content. It will make you more competitive. Another piece of advice: start building your own brand today. You need to be more than just a freelancer on a site. You need to be a thought leader. Share your knowledge, build an audience, and become a go-to expert in your field. This will make you more valuable to clients and give you more control over your career. Now, for those of you who are in staffing firms, it is time to innovate or die. You need to start thinking about how you can use AI to augment your services. Can you use AI to better match candidates with jobs? Can you use AI to automate some of the more tedious tasks? If you don't, you will be left behind. It's time to adapt to the future. Remember to always use AI ethically. Make sure you are not discriminating against anyone. Make sure you are being transparent about how you are using AI. And make sure you are protecting the data privacy of your clients and candidates. This stuff matters. Fiverr's move here is really a fascinating one. They are trying to create an ecosystem where AI and humans work together to create value. And they are giving freelancers a stake in the platform. This could be a winning formula, but it remains to be seen how it will play out. Let's discuss the equity program again. This is a big deal. It's not just about the money. It's about giving freelancers a sense of ownership and a voice in the future of the platform. This could lead to more loyalty, more engagement, and more innovation. This will affect how employees feel about the work they are doing.